Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to Dr. Azra Amri Bijamal and everyone. We are from Group 3 of Computer Network Security Semester 5. Today we are going to present to you guys about analyzing and designing campus network. So our group members consist of Siti Hajar Salma binti Muhammad Salim, Nurul Fatiha binti Muda, Nur Athirah binti Abd Rahman, and myself Nurul Alia Eryana binti Muhammad Zamri.
Okay, my name is Siti Salma binti Muhammad Salim. So I will tell about the location of server room and the justifications. So this is our server room in the middle of the hospital. So the server room should be in or near the center of the building. Yes, it is. And next, the location must be suitable for the installation of bulky power, air conditioning, and networking equipment. It must be able to bear the weight of heavy IT equipment when you build a server rack. Then, tight spaces are not suitable because effective cooling requires the constant circulation of air and proper airflow planning. It's also inadvisable to build a server room in a window space or a space with an external wall, both of which can make it difficult to control and secure the environment within the server room. Okay, that's all from me.
Hi, my name is Nurul Fatiha Binti Muda, and I will tell the location of routers and switches and their justifications. The location of routers and switches in the backbone inside the server room. Router, it have to avoid surrounding with metal object. Routers tend to spread signal downward, so it's best to mount the router as high as possible to maximize coverage. And then switch. The cables won't be tangled between each other and more organized, and switches are little sophisticated to install, though easy to process. That's all from me.
So the next question is the location of wireless access points and their justifications. So there are 3 access points that will be installed at clinics and 2 wards. By placing access points in rooms, they can provide better performance for users where they need it the most. Access points should typically be installed below a ceiling in a location that will boost signal strength in every key portion of the area. So this is to avoid placing the access points in harmful environment full of dust, warmer temperature, and unshielded electrical components. And then access points should not be installed near an electromagnetic interference such as the radiology room because it can quickly wreck a Wi-Fi signal.
Hey, it's me again. So, again, I will talk about cabling and type of cable used at each connection. So, for our hospital, we use straight through cable, which is Cat6, to connect to access point. So, we use from the router to access point. Next, serial cable, which is we use to router using RS232 to connect router to router. Okay, that's all from me.
Hi, my name is Nur Athirah Abd Rahman. Okay, for next question is indication of part of the network that need triple redundancy and the justification. Okay, switch, router and power supply were part of the network triple redundancy to provide continuity in case the worst happens. Redundancy in network help to eliminate single point of failure to ensure better network stability and uptime in the face of events that will otherwise take the network offline. In critical applications such as safety shutdown system, triple redundancy is commonly used. Okay, for last question, price of the proposed computer network solution. Okay, we have seed device. First is wireless access point, WAP, connected to a wire router, switch or hub via an internet cable and project a Wi-Fi signal to a designated area. Okay, for the cost, it will be 4,956 ringgit for three unit. Okay, for router, a router receive and send data on computer network, which is the cost will be 15,808 ringgit. Okay, for switch multiple data cable are plugged into a switch to enable communication between different network device, and it will cost 5,652 ringgit. Okay, for PC, processing the data as per instruction and displaying or storing the processed data in computer. The cost will be 60,000 for 20 PC. Okay, straight through cable to provide an internet connection, connect device to a local network. It will be 14,000 for 400 meter. And last, serial cable used to transfer information between two devices using a serial communication protocol. And the cost will be 480 ringgit for 20 meter. Okay, that's all for me.
That's all.
If you wonder why there are too many routers, one of the routers is for the backup. If there is a failure connection, so we put it as a backup. That's all from me.
That's all from us. Bye. Thank you.